Today we're going to work on getting some of the subfloor up. As you can see here, this is our normal wood floors and this is the bathroom floor. So we got to get some of this removed so that we can put tile and it'll be more flush, because if we just put tile on top of this, then it's going to be too high and there's going to be too much of a lip here. So we're going to rip this up. I think there's gonna be a change of plans here. Stuff I'm ripping up is this kind of like 1/4-inch composite type stuff. And then there's like this tar stuff under it. I don't think I'm gonna be able to tile on top of that, and it's gonna be way too hard to get it off. So as you can see here, looks like there's a sheet of plywood under. So maybe I'll just take that plywood up along with this, put some new plywood down, and go from there. Okay guys, after a lot of work, we got that subfloor removed. So we're down to an existing subfloor, which is 3/4 of an inch thick. And so we are gonna be putting this 1/2 inch thick plywood on, which would make it 1 3/4 inch thick subfloor. I guess that's what you need to have for under tile. I already got one sheet laid where the toilet's going. We're gonna screw this one in and keep going. All right, got all my measurements for my next piece. Let's transfer these onto our board and make some cuts. Caca? So I'm not sure what was going on there, but I had to cut like a inch section out from where my measurement was just to get it down. So either this wall was bowed or this wall was bowed and just wouldn't let me slip it in. I couldn't slip it in on this side or put this end in first because I got this stuff in the way. But I'll just screw that piece I cut down right there, it'll be fine.